Planning a move? Maybe just a road trip? Whether or not a place is likely to get hit by a natural disaster may come into your planning. LawnStarter ranked the most hurricane-vulnerable counties using hurricane risk assessments in anticipated financial loss from hurricanes according to the Federal Emergency Management Agency. Horry County, South Carolina came in 5th. Miami-Dade County, Florida ranks 4th. In 3rd was Charleston County, South Carolina. Still thinking about a move to Florida? Another Florida county, Palm Beach County, came in 2nd. Oh, and hurricanes can't seem to stay away from the Sunshine State. Broward County, Florida is LawnStarter's most hurricane-vulnerable county.